Welcome back to the channel, guys. Something a little bit different today. This is a 2006 VE Berlina. I'm going to be removing the front bar and replacing the washer bottle on it. And it's also got a crack in the filler neck on the washer bottle as well. So it's a pretty clean jig of this thing. It's a July 2006, very early VE. So yeah, let's get stuck into it. Okay, first up, let's remove the grill, two 10mm bolts and two plastic retaining clips. Okay, next up is 4 Phillips head screws. As you can see, they are connected to that under tray that you can see there. So that will loosen off the bottom part of the bumper bar. Okay, next up, these two retaining clips, as you can see inside the guard liner. Remove them and you can peel the guard liner back, exposing the bolts. Here are the bolts behind the guard liner, 10mm they are, 2 of them.
Cool. Is that it? Yep.
There is the leak there, the elbow that goes from the filler neck to the windscreen washer tank. Split right there. Hence why we had a leak. So this is the removal of the old washer bottle tank. As you can see there, it's mounted to that framework. Yet again, I think they were 10mm bolts. So here's the new tank being bolted up, guys. One thing I forgot to record was removing the old pump and refitting that to your new tank, but it's a pretty simple process. There's a hole in the back of the tank there where it pops onto and plugs in. So here's just a bit of an overview, guys. Bumper off, as you can see there. New and old tank and the frame. So our original elbow on the VE filler neck is fucked. Had a split in it. Being a Saturday, we couldn't get one, so this car's got to get back on the road ASAP. So we're just going to make one up. Going to use the original Holden end pieces and just use a bit of radiator hose. That'll do the trick. And here we are, just popping on the new homemade elbow. Just had to make one up because we had to get this car back on the road ASAP. That's our new homemade elbow. So we'll top it up with water, check for any leaks, and then we'll get that bumper refitted. So we had 2 leaks, one out of the original flexi hose, out of the filler neck. So as mentioned, we've just made one up. And the washer bottle tank had a crack in it down near the motor there. So we'll just replace it with an original item. We'll get it filled up as mentioned and check for any leaks. There we go. Check for any leaks. Looks like the homemade elbow's holding up, no leaks there. Look around the other side. So far so good. That water's just from the rain in the old tank. So we've had to refill the tank again. No leaks in the elbow. We filled the tank up but didn't plug in that little line there, which runs back to the windscreen wipers. So that one there. But anyway, we plugged that in and there's no leaks. Everything looks all good. We'll get the bumper bar refitted in the reverse process of taking it off. So that's everything bolted back on, headlights on, that cover there, tanks all fitted up. I won't record refitting the bumper bar, it is just the reverse process of taking it off. That is the bumper removal and washer bottle replacement done, guys. I hope that helps somebody else out with a VE Commodore in the same position as well. As always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that sort of stuff. Until the next video, guys, see you later.